Hey guys, so if you're getting a resources unavailable error on Apple Music, or you can't play any songs unless they're already in your library or downloaded, this video's for you. To see more solutions, check out the full article linked in the description below. I've been there too, even tried reinstalling the app, and now it won't download anything, the songs just sit there grayed out. So let's go ahead and walk through a few fixes that would probably get things working again. First thing, you'd want to force quit the Apple Music app. Just swipe up from the bottom, close it out completely, then relaunch it. Sometimes that alone does the trick. Next up, check your network connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, switch to cellular. If you're on cellular, try Wi-Fi. You gotta make sure you're connected solid before anything else. Now you probably want to check if Apple Music is allowed to use your cellular data. Go to Settings. Scroll all the ways to Apps. Again, scroll to Music. Then tap Cellular Data. This does work for streaming, updating your library, and loading artwork. Still not working? All right. Go ahead and reset your network settings. Head into Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then choose Reset, and tap Reset Network Settings. It's gonna erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so just keep that in mind. Now let's check if it's a problem on Apple's end. Open Safari or any browser and go to Apple's System Status page. If Apple Music is showing yellow or red, you just have to wait it out. Another thing you'd want to check is your iPhone's date and time. Go to Settings, then General, then Date and Time. Make sure Set Automatically is turned on. If your time's off, that could mess with streaming and downloads. You can also try a force restart. Press and release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo shows up. Up next, go ahead and check for a system update. Open Settings, go to General, then tap Software Update. If there's one available, download and install it. Updates often fix weird bugs like this. Still having trouble? You might want to sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. Go to Settings, tap your name at the top, then scroll down and tap Sign Out. Now, since I'm on iOS 26, I can see two options right here. Just go with Sign Out, but don't erase anything. Then tap Continue. You'll probably see another Continue button. Tap that too. Next, enter your Apple ID password to confirm and complete the sign out. After that, wait a minute or two, then go ahead and sign back in. Another fix would be to delete and reinstall the Apple Music app. Press and hold the app icon, delete it, restart your iPhone, then re-download it from the App Store. Now, if nothing is working at this point, you might be looking at a factory reset. That's a last resort. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Erase All Content and Settings. Just be sure to back up everything before you do that. And if you're still stuck, it's probably time to contact Apple's support. They'll help you out with any account-related issues or server-side problems. Wow. That was a lot, but one of these steps is going to get things working again for most people. If this video helped you out, I'd really appreciate a like. Want to see more Apple Music tips and iPhone fixes? Go ahead and subscribe, and drop a comment right here if you have any questions. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.